Harian ketu ke jingja jong arngut kisi kurem ki bana indoor ki bawan ka hene meglaya kala penlong ya ka jalahi borok we ban bo ya kata ka jingkli hato ki torres kilong safe na em barwan ka hene meglaya lana ka don em kata ka jingsngan banwan ka hene meglaya bat ban skong thu khamsa ya kata kan khambha sibon hi ladang ini kran hi bat ki torres ki sngo gumno harian bayo sngo ya to khubor ki don em ya kata ka jingsno tien hato ka meglaya lana kini ki than so ora kadang dei ne em ka jaka ka basngan na mata ki torres.
My name is Farooq Ahmed and I am from Guwahati. We have reached yesterday in Sora and I feel very safe here and I didn't feel any problem. Didn't face any problem and everything is good here actually.
Since you're from Guwahati, that means you have been here for many times.
Yeah. Last week also we came. So we have no issue here and it is very safe for all the tourists. All the tourists can come and enjoy this nature beauty. If you want to feel nature beauty, you should come here. You must come actually.
We've seen the headline by the national media labeling Sora as the crime-prone hills. According to you, what do you have to say on that?
No, it is a very unfortunate incident actually. But otherwise, I have never heard such thing in the past also. It is just that I can say that it's unexpected visit. So otherwise, it's very good place to visit, and I suggest all to come here and enjoy this nature beauty.
Is the local being friendly?
Yeah, local people are very friendly, and actually the Sora is very tourist friendly place, and all the locals are supporting here actually.
As a tourist, do you feel safe coming here in Meghalaya? Do you think such incident really make the tourists scared or anything like that?
No, I'm not scared. I came here for a vacation. The people around here is very warm and welcoming. They are very comfortable, and it's a good place if you are not going in a dangerous area. It's very good. You have to be in your limit. Don't go too far to the water, and it's good to be here. Nice climate and everything is good. People around is very good.
As of now, do you feel safe?
Yeah, we are
very
safe
safe here. As the people around us are also make us comfortable. Their hospitality has really enriched us, and the weather is awesome here.
Ma'am, if there's anything that the Meghalaya tourism could do better, maybe in ensuring the safety of tourists coming here?
No. As a tourist, I don't feel like this place needs to be modified more, because this definitely makes us feel comfortable. We have not been finding out any negative points regarding it, and we will definitely suggest other people also to come to Shillong and visit this natural beauty.
Also, be more cautious about where.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
After the incident of the indoor missing couple, as a tourist, do you feel safe coming to Meghalaya?
No, it's very safe, and here local person also very supportive. Any area you go, और नेचर वाइज इज अमेजिंग ब्यूटीफुल ओके। और यहाँ पे किसी तरह कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, किसी सब चीज़ के लोग भी सपोर्ट करते हैं हर तरह से। कहीं भी आप चले जाइए, आपको अच्छा सजेशन मिलेगा, राय मिलेगी और जानकारी भी अच्छे से मिलती है। सो किसी तरह का कोई डरने की बात नहीं है यहाँ पे। दैट इज़ रियली नॉट हैप्पी, बट उसमें किया क्या जा सकता है। अगर ऐसा कुछ गलती हुई है, अब किससे हुई है इसे कोई नहीं जानता है, लेकिन जो हुआ है अच्छा नहीं हुआ। लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि यहाँ पे मेघालय में इस तरह की कोई दिक्कत है। आप आराम से आइए, घूमिए, रहिए और सब सपोर्टिव है, एंजॉय कीजिए।
Sir, is this your first time here or
दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट टाइम।
First time. You've been around to many other places.
आई एम ऑल्सो साउथ ऑल्सो। मैंने साउथ भी बहुत विजिट किया, नॉर्थ भी विजिट किया है। ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट में मेरा फर्स्ट ट्रिप है। बट
कितना दिन हुआ है यहाँ?
यहाँ पे हम लास्ट 1 वीक से हैं,
1 week से।
हाँ,
और लोकल का साथ इंटरेक्शन,
लोकल के साथ इंटरैक्ट भी अच्छा है, लोकल का सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा है। किसी भी चीज़ में मेरे को सबसे अच्छा यहाँ का ट्रैफिक नियम लगा, कोई भी ओवरटेक नहीं करते हैं, कोई भी रफ ड्राइविंग नहीं करते हैं। इतना एरिया में कहीं भी मैंने एक एक्सीडेंट नहीं देखा, छोटा सा भी, इतने घाटी वाले रोड में कहीं भी एक एक्सीडेंट नहीं देखा। ये बहुत अच्छा चीज़ है।
तो मतलब टूरिज्म से, मेघालय का टूरिज्म से कुछ should they do something to improve the safety of tourists, or it depend on the tourists itself?
थोड़ा बैरिकेटिंग चाहिए। बच्चों लोग साथ में रहते हैं तो क्या होता है, बहुत जगह पे बैरिकेटिंग नहीं है, वो बैरिकेटिंग थोड़ा चाहिए। बाकी सब ठीक है। एज ए बहुत सारे व्यू प्लेस हैं, वहाँ पे बैरिकेटिंग टूटा हुआ है, तो वो थोड़ा सा अगर अच्छे से हो जाए, है बट थोड़ा डैमेज है, बट वो अच्छे से हो जाए तो बच्चे के लिए सेफ है थोड़ा। बाकी बड़े लोग तो समझदार हैं, बच्चों का थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता
अब जब कुछ एरिया में जाता है, टूरिस्ट के साथ, टूरिस्ट गाइड के साथ जाता है या
है। नहीं, मैक्सिमम टूरिस्ट गाइड के साथ ही जाता हूँ हम लोग, क्योंकि जानकारी चाहिए तो आप अकेले नहीं जान सकते। टूरिस्ट गाइड के साथ जाइएगा तो आपको जानकारी देगा। आपको इस बारे क्या पता, सिर्फ आप देख सकते हैं लेकिन जान नहीं सकते। आपको अगर देखने के साथ जानना है तो टूरिस्ट गाइड लेके चलिए।
Can you please introduce yourself? Where are you from?
My name is Kaushik Kumar. I'm from UP. Just now I have arrived here, and who's saying like Sora is not safe? I don't know who's saying this, but I have visited 4 and 5 times, and Sora is beautiful places and is safe for travelers. And I think everyone came here for enjoying. Our area is a very good place.
When you come here, has there been any incident where local misbehave or anything?
No. I haven't seen this type of behavior yet. I have visited 4 and 5 times, so I am safe right now. Even I am come with my family, and my family is safe.
So, what do you think about the media saying that Sora is not a safe place? and it's a
No,
problem?
I don't know who's saying Sora is not safe, but in my point, Sora is safe. Even Shillong is safe, and Meghalaya is also safe. I don't know who's saying this, like Sora is not safe.